The mobile payments landscape is, evolving. Consumers want to use mobile payments. It's really important, and mobile is a part of everyday life for a lot of people out in the environment and the marketplace. And we want to make sure we're delivering the best ways that people want to pay.
We've been investing in building the contactless infrastructure in the UK now for 5 years, and we've got world-class contactless NFC infrastructure in the UK market with approximately 300,000 terminals. We've already seen that consumers have adopted contactless with passion on their payment cards, and all our research indicates that in the next 5 years, half of smartphone users will be using their mobile phones for payments at least once a week. This puts us in a fantastic situation to be advancing in terms of launching Android today.
Tokenization is a great solution for Visa. It delivers an additional level of security within the payment product. There's lots of different methods now that customers can use to make payments. You've obviously got the mobile phone as a key tenet to take forward, but clearly what's changing and some of the new things that we're seeing happening is the onset of wearables, watches, other devices, even in clothing. It's important for Visa in thinking about building out its payment infrastructure and for the future is to think about the ways we can evolve and develop our network to be relevant with all the new payment types. VEDEP, or the Visa Digital Enablement Program, is the commercial framework that Visa's putting in place to make it faster for all parties in the payment chain, the token requesters, the wallet providers, and the banks and the issuing banks, to enable to get consumers paying how they want to pay through that framework.
The retailers probably need to do two things. Those retailers that haven't yet adopted contactless need to roll that out. And secondly, as we move into high-value contactless payments, which will be enabled over Android smartphones, that retailers upgrade their systems so they can accept high-value contactless payments.
Visa Europe's incredibly proud to be able to launch with Google and their Android Pay product. It's great news for our UK banks because it will allow all of their customers to utilise their Visa payment products in their Android Pay phones. This is fantastic for the UK banks. It gives them a really fast and quick and effective way to provide this access to their customers using the VEDEP program.
The launch on Android Pay in the UK means a lot. We think that half of smartphone users are using Android handsets today. That means that contactless payments will be rolling out with pace onto half the handsets in the country.